Good day, my name is Amanda J.N. Sylvester and my matrix number is 2025508-455. And so today I will presenting about fruit and seed development. So to begin with, fruits and seeds are very important because they help plants to continue their life cycle. They are produced after the processes of pollination and fertilization happen in the flower. So fruits have the job of protecting the seeds inside them, and they also help to spread the seeds to new places through animals, wind or water. So seeds are very special because they carry the baby plant which will grow when the conditions are good.
So now, what is fruit?
So, a fruit is a part of a plant that develops from the ovary after fertilization. So, its main role is to protect the seeds inside and to help in spreading those seeds to new places. So, fruits come in different types. Some are fleshy, like mangoes and apples, while others are dry, like peanuts and beans. So some fruits grow without fertilization, and these are called parthenocarpic fruits. So for examples include seedless grapes and seedless watermelons. So the first one is simple fruits, which one fruit that developed from the ovary of a single flower. So simple fruits may either be fleshy like plums and peaches, or dry such as walnuts and hazelnuts. So next is aggregate fruits, where fruit is formed from numerous carpels of one individual flower. So these fruits are made up of many simple fruits attached to a fleshy receptacle. Then multiple fruits, which a fruit form from the fusion of the carpels of many different flowers which develop closely together to form one bigger fruit. And lastly is false fruits or accessory fruits, where fruits that is not formed from the ovary but from a different part of the flower, and these fruits may be simple, aggregate or multiple fruits. Now we move on to fruit development. So fruit development begins after fertilization, when the ovary of a flower grows and changes to become a fruit. So the fertilized ovule inside the ovary develops into a seed. So the ovary wall, called the pericarp, thickens and forms the outer part of the fruit. Fruits protect the seeds and help in their dispersals. So some fruits develop without fertilization, a process known as parthenocarpy, like in bananas.
So next, we will talk about seed.
So a seed is what remains after an ovule is fertilized in the flower. So inside the seed is a small young plant called an embryo. So the seed also has stored food, either in the endosperm or in structures called cotyledons, which help the embryo grow when it starts to germinate. Surrounding the seed is a strong seed coat that protects the embryo from damage, water, and insects. So seeds are important because they allow plants to produce new generations. So next is seed structure, where a seed contains all of the genetic information needed to develop into an entire plant. So a seed is a matured ovule containing an embryo, storage reserve tissue, and a protective outer covering. Seeds are the sexual reproductive unit in a plant. So a seed consists of three main parts. So the first one is embryo, a miniature plant which will grow when conditions are favorable. And the second one is endosperm, which built-in food supply for the plant. And the third is seed coat, where hard outer covering protects the seed from disease and insects, where it prevents water from entering the seed before the proper time. So next, other parts of the seeds also include cotyledon, which specialize seed leaves, And then epicotyle is a tiny shoot from which the entire plant shoot system develops. Hypocotyle is a germinating seedling stem and normally found underneath the seed leaves but above the root. And then next radicle, which give rise to the primary root of the seedling, and plumule, where it forms the shoot system of the plant. So next, we move to seed development, where 3 physiological stages of development are recognized in most seeds. So, the process of seed development happens in 3 stages. So, the first stage is histodifferentiation, where rapid cell division forms the embryo inside the ovule. And the second stage is cell expansion, where the seed grows bigger and food reserves like starch, protein, or oil are stored inside. And the final stage is maturation drying, where the seed loses water, the seed coat hardens, and it becomes ready for storage or dispersal until it finds a suitable place to grow. So, in conclusion, the development of fruits and seeds is very important to plants and for people. So after fertilization happens in a flower, fruits grow to protect the seeds, and seeds carry the young plants inside them. So fruits help to spread the seeds to new places, while seeds make sure the plant can grow again in the future. So fruits and seeds are not only used by plants to continue their life, but also give humans food, medicine, oil, and other useful things. So they also help in keeping the environment healthy and balanced. So by learning about how fruits and seeds grow, we can take better care of plants, improve farming, and protect different types of plants around the world. So that's all from me. Thank you.